Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on ZTE Blade A55. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and you have to scroll all the way down and click Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And here you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes. Then click Delete account. And now your account should be removed, so let's open, for example, Google Play Store. And click Sign In. Now you have to enter your email. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is not deleted, so now I have to click Next. And I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And click accept. Now click on get started and click on use password. Now I have to enter my password. And click Not Now. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.